Assalamu alaikum beta. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Merit Schooling System and College Virtual Learning Program. Beta Ji, I'm back again with another session of your virtual learning program. And today, what are we going to study? We are going to study creative science. And we are going to continue, inshallah, from where we left over last time. And grade 4, what were we doing last time? We were doing lesson number 1, plants are green friends. And what part of it were we doing? We were doing the exercises of the lesson 1, plants are green friends. And if you remember, we did exercise A. We did the vocabulary and words and meanings in the last session, and then we performed exercise A, which was basically the question and answers, and I guess we have completed those question and answers. And we even did exercise B from question 1 to question 3 on the need copies, and I've checked a few copies as well, but I am expecting better attendance this time. So today we'll be doing exercise B, and we'll be continuing from question 4 to question number 6, and we'll be ending the exercise B, and inshallah all the other exercises as well. In short, we are going to complete lesson 1 today, and in the next session, inshallah, we'll be starting the next chapter. So what are we doing today? Take out your neat copies, prepare your page, write the date, day, and the heading exercise B, and continue with question number 4. So what was question number 4? Lesson 1, exercise B, question number 4. The sun is the main source of energy. The sun is the main source of energy. Green plants trap the sun's energy and make food. This energy is passed on to human beings and animals when they eat the food. So basically these are the reasons, beta, if you remember. And the question is that sun is the main source of energy. Yes, it is the main source of energy, because the sun contains the energy that the green plants trap in their leaves, and they make food. This energy is transferred into the food that the plants have made, and then they transfer this energy onto the living beings that have eaten them. For example, if the humans have eaten them in the form of fruit, or if the animals have eaten them in the form of leaves or something like that, the green parts. So that energy is transferred to the human beings and the animals, and the human beings can get this energy also from the plants, and the animals who have eaten those plants. Number 5. No life would exist on earth if there were no plants. The answer is there would be no oxygen or food without plants. Yes, there would be no life on earth if there were no plants, because plants produce oxygen during the process of photosynthesis that the animals and human beings they use to breathe. And the food that we get is also from the plants. Plants are a source of food for us. Number 6. A green leaf is bleached before carrying out a starch test. This is done to remove the green pigment from the leaf, the green pigment chlorophyll from the leaf. But there is an experiment that, if you people remember, in chapter 1 we have already studied that there is a starch test in which the iodine, liquid iodine is dropped on the starch product, and if the product contains starch, it turns bluish black. So, but in the case of leaf, if you drop iodine, liquid iodine directly on a leaf, you will not get the bluish black color, because the leaf already contains a pigment, a green pigment called chlorophyll in it, that is not going to turn the color of the leaf. So before performing the iodine test or the starch test on the leaf, we will have to bleach the leaf with alcohol in order to remove its chlorophyll pigment, and then we can get the bluish black color on the leaf. Okay, with this we come to the end of exercise B, and now we are coming towards exercise C. Exercise C is write one word. We have to write one word for these statements. Your first statement is tiny openings in the leaves, they are called stomata. Food made by plants is called glucose. Liquid used to test starch is called iodine. Food is stored in the leaf in the form of starch. Gas that is essential for plants to carry out photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. Green colored pigment found in leaves is chlorophyll. Food factory of the plants is leaves. So basically, beta, the spoken or speaking speed is always greater than the writing speed. So I also explained in the previous session as well that when you are writing this work that I'm giving to you, please pause the video and do your work. When you pause the video, you can easily do your work with complete satisfaction and comfortability without hasting your work that the teacher is going faster and I'm slower. So please stop the video, do your work very neatly, very decoratively, and without any for hasting or anything like that. So just pause the video and do the work. Okay, now let's come to exercise D, that is true for T for true and F for false. Better, this is D is written here, it is not D, it is F here, right? T for true and F for false. So this is not door, this is for. Okay, please correct this in your copies. Number 1, photosynthesis take place at night. The answer is false. Why? Because photosynthesis take place at day. For the process of photosynthesis, you need chlorophyll, air, water and sunlight. If any one of the thing is absent, photosynthesis will not take place. So the answer of this is false. Number 2, the stem carries water and minerals to the leaves. The answer is true. The stem carries the water and minerals to the leaves. It pulls water from the earth. The roots of the plant, they pull water from the earth, and they through the stem this water is carried to the leaves. Number 3, transpiration removes the green color of the leaves. False. Transpiration is not the removal of the green color of the leaves. Transpiration is the release of the extra water from the leaves. Number 4, chlorophyll is a red color pigment. The answer is false. Chlorophyll is not a red color pigment. Chlorophyll is a green color pigment. Number 5, it is not necessary to maintain a balance. The answer is false. It is very important to maintain a balance in nature, beta. If the plants become more than animals, they won't survive, and if the animals becomes more than the plants present on earth, the animals won't survive. Okay, so animals and plants are interdependent on each other, and because of this interdependency, it is necessary to maintain a balance. Okay, beta. With this, we come to the end of this session, and I hope you had a successful session with me and you liked it. And please do your work neatly, in a very neat and clean and proper way, with proper margin lines, proper space. Do not use pointers, use pencil only. And before I end this session, there is another wise word for you people, and that is, what are the qualities of successful people? Successful people listen, learn, work hard. They are committed to their dreams. They put all their time, energy and focus into their goal. They never give up, never ever. So Beta Ji, with this very wise words and inspirational quote, we come to the end of this session. Have a wonderful day, and we'll be back again with another session. Till then, take care. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.